guys, it's Lucy here. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be doing English and fish and chips. What do you know about fish and chips, aside from being the most popular dish in the UK? Did you know it was brought here by a Jewish immigrant? He set up the first fish and chip shop in London back in the 1860s, and it's been a roaring success ever since. So today I'm going to show you my version. So let's start with the chips. You're going to need 2 potatoes, a bottle of vegetable oil and some salt. First of all, peel your potatoes. Then you want to cut them into strips. Once that's done, put them in a colander and rinse them under cold water. Save them for later. Put the vegetable oil in a saucepan and heat it to about 180 degrees. Put your chips in the hot oil. Give them a shake once in a while. Leave them for about 15 to 20 minutes, take them out, put them on some kitchen paper to dry and add a bit of salt. Moving on to the fish, you will need a fillet of white fish, a can of beer, some baking powder, flour, parsley, salt and some pepper. Start by mixing the flour with the baking powder, the salt, a little bit of pepper and the parsley. Mix them all together and start adding the beer little by little until you get a cream consistency batter. Dry the fish with some kitchen towel, put it in flour and then dip it in the batter. Make sure you cover the whole fish with the batter and then place it in the very hot vegetable oil. Now it will only need about 5 to 10 minutes, but make sure you do turn it. Meanwhile, keep moving it so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the basket, and then you can put it on a plate with your chips and any sauces you would like. Wow guys, I am so chuffed about how this came out. The batter is nice and crispy. The chips have a really nice flavour and they're really crispy. I'm going to try another one just to make sure. Really nice. Another typical thing in the UK is to have mushy peas with your fish and chips. So give it a try and let me know what you think. See you next time. Bye.